Hey all, Kev here from K-Pow Hot Sauce. It's a pretty shitty day outside, so I thought we'd do a bit of a pod taste testing again, but we've been forced inside today. So here we are in the K-Pow house. Today decided to do a boot jalokia, or commonly known as a ghost pepper. So this is the red ghost pepper variety. This is one of the few plants that didn't actually grow from seed. This one I got from King's Plant Barn, I think it is. I got this and a orange one. But the red ones are pretty much ripe and producing still quite a few pods, even this late in the season. So the wife has talked me into eating one of these, which to be honest I'm pretty nervous about. I've never eaten anything this hot. I'm pretty familiar with the flavour because we use ghost peppers in our hot plum, and so I really like the flavour and the heat, but obviously I've never eaten a whole pod. So pretty nervous about that, to be honest. So I'll pick one off. This one looks as good as any, I guess. Then put the plant away. And so there we go. It's a pretty decent size one. Pretty much right. There's a little bit on the tip, doesn't look quite right, but pretty much there. I'm really quite nervous about that. So we've got the horrible ass milk, which I fucking hate, but is there because I'm pretty sure I'm going to need it. And what I thought I'd do, just to pass the time while it burns, is see if I can do a cube. And if I can do the cube, then I can have a drink of milk, but we'll see how that goes. So this is sufficiently messed up. I don't really want to do this, but the wife is there, laughing away. I think I'm going to do it all in one, because when I've done a couple of bites before, I've had the first bite, and then I'm very apprehensive about having the second bite, because the first bite's already hurting. So I'm just going to do it all in one, see if we can do a cube.
You're already fiddling with stuff.
I know. I don't want to do it. But, and I've only got, I hate milk. It's the only thing I've found that gets rid of the heat and the pain. I've only got that much, so I don't know if that's enough. Anyway, kind of. Right, bottoms up. Right off the bat. Do all that. Oh my god. Let's see if we can do a cube. Fucking hell. I'm already shaking. Oh my god. I think this is going to be good.
Are your hands shaking?
Yeah.
Show us your hands.
Oh my god. No, nuts. I don't think I can do the cube at all. Well, that's it's a really nice flavour. Shit. My name's Kev, and I'm a hiccuper.
I can smell it from here.
Oh my god, I can't even get it. I can't get it out of my teeth. I can't really talk. I don't think I'm going to far out. I'm proper shaking. Was it orange? Was it not orange? That's not right. Oh, and oh my god. It just keeps building. Oh, the eyes are, oh. Wow. Shaking. Right, I've got one side. One fucking side. A lot of sides to go. Oh, man. that's, oh man, brain not working, brain not working. Shit, been out of there. There you go, motherfucker.
Well done.
Holy shit. Oh, it's burning down there where I was chewing. Well, I don't know how long it took, but I'm proper shaking. Oh, right. Right, we'll take a 5-minute break. We'll come back and... Oh, that's made it worse. Oh my God. You see, when I was doing the cube, it took my mind off it a little bit, even though I couldn't concentrate on it. Now the heat is absolutely ramped up. It's not going to be enough. I think that's signalling time. Right, we'll be back soon. 5 minutes. I'll set the timer. See you soon. Cut. Cut. Oh, I need bad tissues. Oh my God. You can keep filming if you want. Oh, just keeps building. Alright, I think it's time to go for a walk. I'm going to go outside. It's not good. No, it's not good. It's not good. Ah, why did you put me into this shit?
Pretty sure I didn't. This was your idea.
Right, I go outside. Ah, my tongue. I hate milk. This is just so fucking gross. At least it's sunny, you know? Oh, it seems to be going on. It's running out of milk. Every time I get rid of the milk, the heat just comes back. It tastes really nice. I really like the taste of ghost pepper. Oh, fuck, I don't like that heat. Right. Wow. Life is happy. Another lockdown day gone, almost. Oh, that's going to be ruined though. Oh, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. We're going to do probably a few... I don't want to do it already. But I do have some orange hams that I've been waiting to ripen up. So I'll be having... I want to taste them because they're... Oh, fuck. Yeah, so subscribe to the channel. Going to do probably some other stuff that doesn't necessarily involve eating chilies. Do a lot of barbecue. Do some barbecue stuff. Show you guys how to use some of our sort. As soon as the milk goes away. Right, well, I'm going to stop talking, guys. Have fun. Be safe out there in lockdown. See you again soon. See ya.